to the channel, welcome to the driveway for part 3 of Badger the Beetle build. And we're not going to cover what I was expecting to for a number of reasons. One, if you saw part 2, I'll put a link somewhere up here, an issue with the brake lines, and I've tried to order the lines I need, and one of them is on back order, so it's just not going to happen. I can't get them here in time for this weekend. What I have done is I've put I noticed on there something when they get back in stock, but I've also ordered an actual brake line flaring kit, which we're going to have a go at doing as well. That way, if I break the back ones, getting those off, we can do that. So we can't get the brakes done for at least a couple of weeks, 2 or 3 weeks. In addition to that, I thought, I know, I'll do the CV boots on the back because they need doing. I ordered them. Turns out I only ordered one, not a kit of 2. So I can't do those because I want to do in one hit because they are a bit of a pain to do. So we couldn't do that. So I'm thinking, what can we do today? This is going to be a quick video. The only job we can do, because the Beetle needs to be moved, is I'm going to hammerite and tidy up the interior floor pans. I can't do underneath, I've not got enough paint, I don't think, and I want to take some time preparing that. So today's going to be a quick one really, which is getting a wire wheel out, giving the floor pans a bit of a tidy up and clean up, and then dosing it with hammerite paint. It's a little job, but it does need doing, so this is going to be a fairly quick video. Right, so I'll show you the condition of the current floor pans. I've cleared everything out of it. I'll let you see what we're tackling. Right, so as we showed on the assessment video, the part 1, the floor pans are in fairly good condition. We've got quite a bit of surface rust that needs cleaning up, hence the reason for the wheeling it all off. You can see the heater channels have had some patch repairs. This one's in much more better condition. This one had water holding in it from installed on a driveway. You can see there's a number of holes been drilled in. We're not gonna fill these in. We're going to put grommets in, I think, when we're done. But yeah, it just needs a clean out. We need to get rid of this insulation off these, and yeah, just give it a general clean up and a bit of added rust protection. Right, safety first. I've got my wire wheel to get into all this. I've got my safety glasses. I'm going to take and put a mask on because I'm in a closed space, and I've got a set of overalls as well. Oh, also, I think I actually found my first bit of rot, which is not really rot, it's just this edge, which is not in the best of condition. So that's the only bit I found on it so far, which is a good thing. Right, oh, I've taken these insulation things off the heat end of the heater channels, and I was expecting there to be holes in there. So if anyone knows any better if that's right or not, let me know, because obviously I've kept them. I'll put new ones back on if need be. Right, anyway, let's get on to vacuuming this out and then start wire wheeling it all. So this side doesn't need much. It's mainly going to be this back here that needs doing. Let's get changed, get the vac out. We'll do a time lapse, I think. So it's going to be a quick video, this, hopefully. I need to get the Beetle back on its wheels and back onto the grass area because we're going away. I need to get the van on the drive to get you ready for going from camping. So hence the reason, quick video. Right, let's get set up. Well, that went a lot quicker than I thought it was going to. I'll show you the floor pans now. Just been wire wheeled off, and then we'll get some paint out and get them sealed. There we go. All the surface rust is pretty much off. It came off really easy. So there was no rot in it. That was just all surface rust that was on there. Didn't want to go too tight around the back there. I'll get it covered over because of obviously all the pedals and stuff and coming through the bulkhead, which cleaned up really well. There's still some insulation to the floor. I'm going to leave that. I'm not too bothered about that. It is all solid. The only what I've got at the moment is a few of these bits here, which I don't think are structural. They're just the lip as a floor pan fits onto the body. So again, not too bothered. I'll just trim all those back. The same sort of little bits on there. But considering what could have been, how this Beetle could have been, this is all minor stuff. I'll just tidy that up in a minute, and then we'll get some paint on the go. So yeah, success. There's some paint in there. That's all we're gonna do. Give it a lot of hammerite just to add some rust protection rather than anything else. Try and give it what's there at the moment. Just try and prolong the life of the of this Beetle until I decide what I'm going to do with it. But knowing my luck, will probably stay like that for a good few years. Right, I'm just going to sort those rusty bits out, and then we will get some paint on the go. So I've just cleared this piece of metal off. It's all solid underneath. It's like a double skin. Why I wheeled it off, we'll get all that with some hammerite. And I've done the same over there with that little bit there. Just cleaned it up a little bit, so we'll get it with some hammerite as well, just to protect it on the inside. So the plan is to just do the main floor pans and anything else that might need a touch-up protection. We're not going to go nuts because everything else is relatively well protected. So mainly the floor pans, right? So this is what I'm going to use. Just paint it on, give it a nice thick coating, and yeah, this will hopefully make all this look a lot better.
Your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Say what you will at the hardware store. Don't get you started talking about sports, baby. Why won't you talk to me? Get your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Think you're the silent type, but that ain't what I like. I need a man who knows how to speak, so talk to me.
Well, that was relatively straightforward. Used about a third of one of these, which means I'm definitely need another one, maybe two of these to do the underneath, get the bottom of the floor pan's done in a few weeks' time. Let's have a quick look how it is. It's still wet, but let's have a quick look how it is. There we go. Much tidier. Now, I deliberately didn't paint the seat runners because I didn't want to get them all barred up and full of crap. I've done a light bit of work on the heater channels and try to get everything I can on the floor around it. But for a quick, what was that? Hour and a half. It's another tick box done. So I've ordered some brake line flaring tools and some brake line so I can get back doing the brakes. The other thing we need to do on this now is get back on its wheels and put it away for a couple of weeks. So there won't be a video for a little bit because I'm waiting for parts and waiting for some time off. But yeah, when that's dried, I'll shoot a little bit more video. It's been a good few hours now. It's touch dry and it's only had a single coat. So what I'm going to do is when I do the underneath, I'll give the inside a second coat. I can't do it now. I just don't have the time to have all the stuff out of it. So I need to put the stuff back in here because I don't have tomorrow to work on it because we're off to another car show at 10. So yeah, pack this thing up. But yeah, not all the jobs ticked off. Should be a quick video this. But again, getting through these things that need doing. Hopefully next weekend, the next couple of weeks, we'll get the stuff for the brakes and get the brakes running. the brakes are running, I can put the fuel tank in. Once the fuel tank's in, we can get the engine started. And then hopefully then we can go through the electrics. So I'm still hoping that we can get it on the road, say September time, try and get it to a show for the Retributes. I'm hoping, we'll see. But yeah, we'll leave it there. If you made it this far, thanks for watching.